Outdoors 201.
Just say welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel.
Because we might change the name anyways.
We might change the name anyways. Welcome to the channel. And welcome. And welcome. So we've got a fire now.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah! Finally, after multiple tries and bringing green wood to start a fire. That was my bad.
When he says green wood, it's like extremely green.
Like, yeah. It's not good.
It's not good at all.
But we found wood.
That was wet.
No, it's doing the job we want it to. We've got hot coals, we've got flames. We'll be able to cook.
We've got a feast tonight.
Wow, it's almost 11 o'clock. It's taken 2 hours to get that going.
Well, wait, 2 hours to get this going. Are you ready?
Yeah. What a great fire. We took that off-road. As you can see, it's joydy.
It's also got highway tyres on it.
Yeah. And more capable than you think.
Yeah, it's full on stock.
Yeah. Full-on stock. Not just regular stock, but actual stock.
The only thing is, it's got a awning that's been put on very dodgy.
It hasn't fallen off. And it's been set up well. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Everything is awesome.
I did what I could with the tools that I had.
Is this round 2 of camping?
Round 2 of what we've filmed, yes.
This is round 2.
First time was weird.
We were pretty drunk. Let's
Yeah.
be real.
But like, it was unsuccessful to say the least.
It was fail. The fire was good.
The fire was good, better than our fire now. That being said, it is like 9 degrees.
Yep.
We didn't catch any. Well, no, we caught a platypus
We caught a platypus
that we'd released, of course.
that we didn't release.
Well, we didn't release it, but we would have released it if we found it. Someone else found it.
And released it.
Yeah.
No, dude. Angry.
We've actually got fire now.
After how long?
Too long.
Oh, God.
I didn't actually. No, don't. That was apple. Was I feminine enough for you?
Work it, girl. Let me just move my SDs.
Stir. Wow, alright. This is just wet wood.
Yeah, go on, show all your knives off.
Fine, I've got this one. I've got this little one. I've got this one. And this one.
Hang on, is there one more? Was
No.
that 4?
It's just, that was 4.
Huh.
Because that one was first. which I was just using to split wood pretty much.
Did the job.
Absolutely. Got all that.
Got all this.
Now you're making me uncomfortable.
Welcome to. Oh god. Imagine that as a channel.
I mean, that's pretty much what we're doing. We are in a RAV4 doing this.
Why are we doing? Oh god. Why are we doing this?
Why not?
Still can't believe we're in a RAV4 just going up a hill and that's getting
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that.
That should be continuing up there.
Let's not do that. Not in a RAV4.
Nah, let's do it. You might be surprised.
You probably will be able to do it. It's just more the fact of not experienced enough to do that yet.
Yeah. Welcome to the channel.
What the heck off? Oh,
Oh boy.
I don't like
Please don't
that.
slide.
People will be like, what are you doing? Why are you in RAV?
There we go. Alright. Let's get back the way we can.
Oh, the camera does not do this justice. How much steepness this is.
Hill descent control.
Oh, yeah, look at the phone.
There we go. I'll let the car do its work. I've got the foot off my brake.
I do that as well.
Yeah.
I go in first gear and then just plug this back in. Kill my phone. Oh,
No, don't put it in.
too bad.
Back we go.
I feel like you're panicking.
Nah, that's alright.
I suggest we don't go this way with this car.
Oh, that's a bit of fun.
What you got up this was pretty surprising.
You can see the highway tyre tread marks. Look at that.